Spring is when flowers bloom and everyone gets a little springy. Kids love this season because they can finally play outside without wearing 10 layers of clothes. It's also when school starts to feel like a race to summer vacation. What did one flower say to the other? You're blooming awesome. Did you know that spring is the time when many baby animals are born? From fluffy bunnies to chirping chicks, it's like nature's own nursery, full of adorable little creatures exploring the world for the first time. Summer is like a giant playground. No school, no homework, yay, and ice cream everywhere. Kids can swim, go on adventures, and maybe even build a sandcastle. That touches the clouds, at least in their imagination. Why do fish always know how much they weigh? Because they have their own scales. Summer days are longer because the earth tilts towards the sun. That means more time for fun in the sun, and more time for those epic water balloon fights. Fall is when the leaves transform into a beautiful array of red, orange, and yellow, making the world look like a magical painting. Kids love jumping into big piles of leaves and pretending they're treasure hunters on a quest for hidden snacks. What's a tree's favorite drink? Root beer. Did you know that many animals get ready for winter during fall? Squirrels gather acorns and hide them away, while some birds fly south to find warmer places. It's like a big nature preparation party. Why not collect colorful leaves and make a scrapbook? You can learn about different trees while creating your own art.
Winter brings snowflakes that look like tiny stars. Their beauty makes every day magical. Kids can build snowmen, have snowball fights, and drink hot cocoa while wearing their coziest pajamas. School might be in session, but who doesn't love a snow day? Fun is just around the corner. What do you call a snowman with a six-pack? An abdominal snowman. Laughter fills the air. Did you know that no two snowflakes are exactly alike? Each one is a masterpiece of nature. Each one is a unique little masterpiece, just like every kid has their own special style. Each season offers a chance for kids to learn new things, have fun, and enjoy the changing world around them. So, whether you're in the classroom or outside playing, remember to embrace each season with a big smile and a sprinkle of silliness. Want to keep the fun going? Subscribe to our newsletter for more seasonal tips and activities.